This is the factory engraved Colt Python. Have a factory engraved Model 29 Smith & Wesson. But this is the Colt Python. Looking down the barrel. The engraving. The pony there, the Colt. Down that engraved barrel. Engraved on this side. Rosewood handles with a Colt on them. Smooth, smooth, smooth action. Very smooth action. Fluted cylinder. It is engraved there, not in between. I haven't shot this thing, I don't think. I had another one just like it that I shot. But it had trigger problems. And I sent it back to Colt, and they gave me this one, brand new one. Smooth as glass action. Very light, even on double action. Single action is just so smooth. We'll see what this does. I'm shooting some pretty heavy 38 special loads. They're 4.1 grain of bullseye and 125 grain jacketed hollow points. Here are the bullets, 125 grain jacketed hollow point. The inside of it there is like a Allen wrench. 38 specials, 4.1 grain, a bullseye, 125 grain jacketed hollow point. They ought to fly pretty good. Everything about this pistol is just absolute perfect and just absolute close tolerances. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Nothing like a Colt Python. This is a 2000 plus series also. It even has engraving on the back of the back strap. And let's see, you can't see that. So the back strap. Now let's shoot this fancy pistol. Python is one of my favorites. I have two Pythons. I had an original Python that Roland Rodriguez did a job on for me, and it was fantastic. Very beautiful shooting my pistol there. It shoots like a rifle. The load is shooting very, very clean. Kicking pretty hard. That woke up the chickens. Got a new rooster and he doesn't like it. I want to take this and shoot it at 100+ yards. real good up close. I can tell you that much. Colt Python, 2000 plus series, factory engraved. Beautiful gun, one of my favorites. I will get it broke in here pretty soon. Most people won't shoot these like this, but I do. Presentation grade, factory engraved. Beautiful action, just beautiful action. When we take it to the 100-yard range, I'll show you some double action shooting with it. Shooting pretty heavy loads, the trigger's not giving me any trouble at all. Even the trigger is serrated here also. One thing about the Pythons, they're so close tolerance that you can't get any dirt in them at all, or any powder or anything like that. It gets in here and then it won't lock up right. But this one here is doing fantastic. Of course, it's a $4,000 to $6,000 gun, somewhere around there. As you can see, the loads are shooting very clean. I carried one of these for many, many years. And I had to, they kept me from getting killed a couple of times, let's put it that way. I almost got hijacked. And it saved my life. Out here in the middle of nothing too. Thank you for liking and subscribing also, all of you out there have done it. Please do more of it. We keep getting more every day and we need them too. It'll help us do what we're doing. God bless you. Thank you for watching and liking and subscribing. Come back again.